All right, here we are. A twofer, a double, BOGO or BIGO or whatever they call it, 2-for-1. Anyway, let's try a little Dutch pour. Let's see what we can come up with today. Should be fun. As long as I don't make a big mess. Okay, let's see how we can pull this off here. I'm thinking this way and that way. One, and I'm just going to use a little bit of dark here. Because we know that dark blue, all the dark colors seem to want to take over. These are Arteza colors again, the metallic, the Arteza pearls. I find them very pretty. I guess these will go good together. Who knows? We're going to find out, aren't we? I think we are. Here's some light blue. And I think I'll put a... Whoa, dude, the lid was off of that. And luckily it just went on the floor. Not to worry. I won't get in trouble until my wife sees it. So I'm going to have to hurry up with this so I can get it cleaned up. Oh, Richard, what a slob. Okay. I'll worry about that later. I really got to remember that. The lids are... Oh, my goodness. This thing just gave birth to a Luger. Man, I'm digging that out of there before we even go any further. It's amazing how... Where is it? Oh, yes. Look at that. Nurse. I don't need a scalpel. I need a pan to put that thing in. Okay, last color. No more screwing around either, I promise this time. Here we go. I don't know, lilac, fuchsia. What do you want to call this? Grape ape. Okay. Enough of this messing around, boys and girls. Let's get some white on here. Ooh. Okay. Put my nozzle on here. Crank this bad boy up. Ready? Oh yes, we're ready. All right, I'm letting it sit for a second. Okay. Oh, Richard. I'm not sure what I've done. I really am not. God, I'm all thumbs today. Oh man, if you could see my backdrop. Oh, got some on the wall. This is not a successful pour. Man, am I going to get in trouble. Holy crud. Oh, I better stop this. Let me put this on here. Get rid of... Even the bubbles are defying me today. They're not even popping. All right, you daredevils. Okay. Oh my goodness. I'm exasperated. Okay, I got to get the paint off the wall. I see another one there. Oh boy. I will be back after I clean up my mess. Oh, look. I didn't make a mess. Oh, look, I didn't make a mess. I just cleaned one up. Man, that took a while. Upon close inspection, I don't think my wife will find out that I made a big mess up here. I hope not anyway. But Lordy, it turned out pretty darn good, even if for a mess. I used the butane, and doesn't seem like I got any more bubbles anywhere. I did use the mini blower a little bit up here where those spitter trails were. But you know what? I think this twofer's a keeper. So this is another short video, I'm sure. Luckily, I didn't have to film myself cleaning up my mess. I did get that white all over my oak desk. Anyway, I'll let these sit for a minute. And I don't think there's anything else I'm going to do to it. I like it. So I'll come back in a minute with a close-up, and we'll call this a fast 2-for pour. 2 for 1. The mess was free. This is Richard saying, I'll be back, so stand by. Okay, here we are. A little up close and personal for the two of them. Let me come in a little bit. And the colors are pretty. The interaction of the paint is pretty. And I'm liking it. I hope you are too. And we'll just let this dry. Really not much more to do after I used a mini blower and did some wispies out here. It'd be nice if I kept my finger out of it. Yeah. And just added a little bit more dimension and flair to it. I do want to show you why I have to have a backdrop, because I am Mr. Piggy. I mean, this was a mess today. I got carried away with the blower. I'm not allowed to play with toys. So anyway, there you have it, folks. A 2 for 1. And I think it turned out pretty fun. And this was on a gallery wrap canvas, and they were, I think, 12 by 12. So this will make a nice little display for somebody. So this is Richard B saying thanks for watching, and we shall see you next time. Goodbye.